Hi, hello everybody. My name is Ishan from Smart Side, and it's been some time since we put our last video. It's been like a week, so just wanted to tell this will be our last video for now, and I'll be starting to upload videos from March 28th. I'm just taking 1 month break. So today we're going to see, is the Apple Vision Pro really worth the price? Like our old video, we check in the description. Not doing self promotion. So is it really worth it, like everyone says? Should we buy it? I mean, it has its own drawbacks, so let's prioritize slowly and steadily, and let's dive AR inside the video. So is the Apple Vision Pro worth it? For me, it is worth it and also not worth it. Is it a game changer? Is it a game changer, or is it the next gen VR? So click that subscribe button if you like tech videos like this, and let's begin with our first point. The world, the globe, planet, the earth, visualized, improved, generation by generation, and we're getting immersed, and the technology we think is the tech tomorrow, but today. Yeah, quote the title by Marcus Brownie. So we are improving, and I'm proud of that. And from MacBooks, iPhones, Samsung, S24 Ultra, 48 megapixels, 100 megapixels, filmic camera, cinematic camera, dynamic island, and then smart search, I guess. And now we have the Meta Quest 3, which will be posted sooner too. But this one is, I think, will be jealous by every company. The Vision Pro, unexpected, new, like a new doom or run of Apple. So, what's the first drawback of this? Before you buy it, before we start innovating inside our video, we have an important announcement for Smart Side. It's going to be a little disappointing and might be good. So what's the full video? For the cough? Yeah, very important. So, continuing back. As everyone knows, the Vision Pro is expensive. Like, you can even buy like a car, a TV, or maybe like two iPhone SEs, or okay, that's stupid. Or maybe two 13s or 13 Pros. Due to its expensive price, people like from middle age, 40s, or even people in 35s, even rich people are thinking, should we even buy this Vision Pro? Because the second you buy it, you have to be very precaution, and you have to handle it with care. Because $3,500 doesn't come from your pockets easily. If you break it once, you know how much Apple is going to charge you. So that's a disadvantage. So many people who bought other Apple products really like to buy this, but its price is too much. I hope Apple decreases the prices with its lower models. So let's go to its second disadvantage. Second, it's heavy. I've still not used it because it's in America, so I don't know when they're going to ship it to our country. So because it's too heavy, that aluminum frame and the plastic metal is going to take all the weight from your eyes, all its combining waves from its back even to the front, all to your eyes, and it's like you're wearing some big MacBook on your face. I don't know how heavy it is, but as everyone's perspective, view, video, and everyone says the same thing: expensive and heavy as okay, no need. Heavy as, yeah. It's heavy as like a rock. I mean, yeah. So maybe Apple can make it less weight like titanium, but heating problems might come. And Apple can also add more apps. Like, what about Netflix and YouTube? I hope it happens. Third point. So third one. I don't know if people even heard about this, but because it's like a virtual AR augmented reality. Sorry for thumbnail, I put VR because many people tell VR. Also it's AR, so okay. So it has lots of privacy concerns. So you'll be like, what do you mean? It has so the Vision Pro includes a number of health and physical monitoring systems. So basically, when you're wearing it, lots of like all these online conditions, like the health app is going to focus on your like how much time you're going to take, and it's health and physical monitoring. So even iPhones and every other thing use it, but this is more like realistic. So that may be a privacy concern. And I'm not sure of this point, like I saw in the web, it's only sold through Apple. Like, what do you mean it's only sold through Apple? Maybe yeah, but I think they're telling it's only available in the Apple app. So maybe many people, like hackers and viruses, can happen. People might create HTTP and make us buy it. So always be concerned on safety, and always check if the website you're using have HTTPS and not HTTP. So these are the main things, and also disadvantage of a limited field of view. And so they're telling it has a narrow field of view and doesn't have a 360 degree like viewpoint. That's also a disadvantage for a $3,500 worth glass. And then sunglass, looks like a sunglass for me, but bigger. Okay, that's weird. Okay, so maybe they can make it 360 degrees, and I hope they do in their next model. So that's it for today's video, guys. These are like the 5 main points of the disadvantages. When you come to advantages, it is good, it's worth it. Yeah, like I said, also not worth it, but I think I might wait for Apple to make other products, like models of this. So I think it's okay if you like pass on. You don't have to buy the Vision Pro. It's not like compulsory just because it's $3,500. You can wait for some time. It doesn't have to be rushed. So that's my point. So if you want, you can buy it if you really have the money in your pocket. I'm not discouraging anyone, just saying, because Apple is too concerned on their price. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. And for the update, we're changing a logo. And yeah, don't be disappointed because I took a logo from Canva. So a second event is gonna happen. I know you guys the 40 people who watched it are saying like, didn't you have a premiere like last month, December? So like I said, I'm gonna have a 1 month break. So the event might happen in April or May. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. I'll put more vision updates sooner. Bye.